Ako si Kitata. Hi guys, I'm Brian from Brian Loves Pageantry and I am here with...
Miss Natasha Augusto Testa representing the city of Lapu-Lapu.
Alright, hello Natasha, nice to
Hello, nice
meet
meeting you
you. Yes.
again.
For my first question, kasi 1 month na, or almost 1 month na since
Yes.
nag-press presentation,
Opo.
gaano ka busy?
Actually, I was expecting that every day is a hustle day here in Miss Universe, but I was shocked kasi hindi naman ganun ka-busy. But
Wow.
we're doing something every day, but not that stressful. Or probably nasanay na lang ako.
Oh, baka nga. Ano na mga changes sa daily routine mo since nag-kick off yung competition?
Well, of course, waking up early and sleeping late is part of the new routine that change. And as a student, I'm also studying online, and I've been juggling both being a student and actually kanina while na may symposium, ma-attendan ako ng Google Meet namin.
So
So,
nag-multitask
yes,
ka? Wow.
multitasking. As a woman, we are multifaceted, so we can do anything.
Okay. I know na nag-training ka, nag-prepare ka for
Uh-huh.
this
Yes.
competition. Pero sa tingin mo, yung sa training mo, may part ba doon na nag-prepare sa'yo sa ganito ka-stiff na competition at yung mga everyday na busy schedule?
Well, for me, I can say that I have been training almost a decade now since I start joining pageant when I was 11. And every
Wow.
month I have pageant. So for me, it's like a hobby na lang talaga. I
Wow.
enjoy it. I don't feel any pressure. Like when I go here, I just enjoy, especially maraming mga freebies, maraming photographers, mga medias, and there's a lot of opportunity that I really enjoy. So I think I am not really training every day for my pasarela walk, for my Q&A. I just enjoy every moment and siguro magte-training na lang ako like every day pag malapit na.
Okay. Alright. Ibang atake mo ha. Okay. And travel tayo a few years ago. How would you describe yourself as a student?
Well, as a student, I am very, very serious about it. Lalo na nung high school ako, I was really very like persevere to pursue my education. Actually, I'm also an advocate for education.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi galing ako sa poorly urbanized community,
Mm-hmm.
kung
Mm-hmm.
pagkatawagin, di ba? So, and one of my parents really pushed me to pursue education so that 'di ba, sabi nila, yun lang yung maipagmamalaki nila
Mm-hmm.
soon.
Mm-hmm.
Yun lang ang maipapamana nila. Kaya I really pursue my education and I really take it very well. And I have been also joining pageants before so juggling studies and pageant is really easy for me now.
Wow, sanay na sanay ka na pala.
Yes.
Alright, last question. Ano ang message mo sa supporters mo at sa
Oh.
glam team mo?
At first of all, thank you so much to all my supporters. Majority of my supporters are my families and my relatives and close friends of mine, which I'm very grateful that I am surrounded by the very supportive people around me that keep on supporting me financially, emotionally, and marami silang mga advice kasi majority of my friends are part of LGBTQIA plus
Mm.
community. So, sila yung talagang go lang kahit anong mangyari, kahit sino yung mga kalaban mo, you are there and that's what matters. And it's really fuel your heart, di ba?
Alright.
Mas lalo kang magpupursige, mas lalo mong gagalingan para to show them na worth it yung support nila. And for my glam team in Cebu, I am hoping to work with you again soon here in Manila kasi ever since day one, I was the only one who's doing my makeup
Makeup?
and my boyfriend does my hair because my boyfriend is
Oh, very
also
supportive si boyfriend.
my boyfriend is also part of LGBTQI
Wow.
community. He's a gay,
Really?
yes.
Wow, we have to do a separate interview dyan ah.
Yes, and siya din yung nagtuturo sa akin ng makeup, and siya rin yung napupush sa akin na bumili ng makeup, tsaka ikaw na yung mag-makeup sa sarili mo para matuto ka. Kaya,
Wow.
since day one talaga, like, from the presentation of the candidates, ako na talaga yung gumagawa until
Wow,
now.
wow. Alright.
Kaya for me, like, that's why I really enjoy the show kasi may ano din kasi parang therapeutic yung ikaw yung gagawa sa self mo. Hindi mo kailangan hindi mo kailangan magmadali kasi baka late ka na ganun kasi
Okay.
alam mo yung time, marunong ka na mag-handle ng time mo, alam mo kung ilang oras yung iti-take ng makeup, ng hair. So for me it's a lot easier.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you
I'll
so
interview
much.
you next time dun sa Love Life mo ha. If okay lang sa'yo.
It's okay lang po. As long
Alright.
as MU page credited media.
Yes, of course.
I'll interview.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you so much.